Okay, today we're going to make katsudon. If you have the leftover katsu from a previous video, now we can make katsudon.
Okay,
Okay,
quarter onion.
1/4 of an onion, kind of sliced.
One green onion. If skinny, 2 green onion.
Okay.
And that's right.
Take some of this sauce, which is a soup base, has shoyu and other things in it. It's for noodles, but that's what you use for
Katsudon.
katsudon.
Half cup. A little bit water, maybe 1 tablespoon water.
Okay.
And 1 teaspoon sugar. Over katsu.
They've been cooking about 3 minutes so far. Two eggs, which is going to cover the entire dish.
The katsu.
It's been cooking for about 5 minutes or a little over, and the sliced katsu is now placed on top of the boiling vegetable. What makes this so good is fresh hot rice. Have a nice deep round bowl and put it about half rice. Continue turning the katsu so it gets a little bit of the sauce flavor on it. And now when it's nearly at the end of the process, put the scramble or the beaten eggs.
And not much juice there.
Yeah.
Be enough juice.
Some of the juice is boiled away, that's what you want.
And the egg.
Gently pour the egg around the sides, in the middle.
Yeah.
Cover it about 1 to 2 minutes so the egg solidifies.
And the cucumber kimchi.
Fresh cucumber, we pour on it a kimchi sauce, which is this one. And they're delicious pickles.
Okay. Done.
It's done. Now here's the trick, getting it on top of the rice. Slide it in. Vegetables, egg, and the tonkatsu.
Okay.
Ready to eat.